always flexing, nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit.
I ain't on vacation, I'm clocked out. And mind you, we supposed to be getting on rides. Are we getting on rides today?
Hold up. Hold up.
Hey friends, it's work yaya, period. That should explain how I look. What about it? What about it? Anywho, so I got the to-do list for today. Ooh, y'all know we remember. The to-do list for today will be Walmart, 5 and Below, and Hairtown. Yeah. Anywho, let's go. I gotta hurry up and get to these stores. Okay. We are at Hairtown. Y'all, I really am out here looking homeless, okay? And this, okay, I'm here. Who does buy? I'm going with light warm brown and praying and hoping that this is my color now. Like, my mama needs one of these. I might just get her this one. I'm gonna get this one because it's red and it's black and yeah. Y'all, why every time I come to this plaza, it start pouring down raining? Look at this. Look at this. I literally purchased my items, walk into the door, and the security guard like, it's pouring down raining. What you mean? It's not gonna stop in a little bit, nah. This joint, hold on. I'm gonna try to make my way to 5 and Below. The show gotta go on. I'm on the time frame, you all, and I still gotta get home and wash my wig. I still haven't ate. I didn't eat all day. All I did was drink some coffee. That's all I got in my system right now. I gotta pee. I still gotta go to Walmart, which is in the other plaza. Y'all hear that? Alright, y'all. I gotta collect myself. Hold on. Y'all, that rain is heavy. That rain is heavy AF. That rain is heavy. Like, that's not no normal rain. That's a storm. Look. As long as y'all not wet, as long as my camera is not wet, the show must go on. I got shopping to do, honey. Oh, I love this. I love it right though. I ain't even gonna lie. I seen it on the website. Let me just open it because, like I said, we gonna have drinks, we gonna have food. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. This is it. This is the one. I already got one in the cart, y'all. So I already got one in the cart. The inflatable pillows. The inflatable beach pillows. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear the rain? Anywho, let me stop y'all. I wound up buying a poncho from 5 and Below because, yeah. Oh, let me show y'all this because I did pick this up before leaving. Isn't this the perfect beach jewelry set? I just got the bag and the inflatable pillows. That's it, that's all. Now I'm about to try to drive to Walmart in these conditions, but Walmart's down the street, so it ain't no biggie. Made it to Walmart. If I can't find what I'm looking for, then I don't really care. Ooh, this. Ooh. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this a shirt? I do believe this is a shirt. This is a skirt. I might. For how much? I might. Beach towel. We're here. This one looks cute. What is giving? Oh, hello summer. Ew, why I sound like Bad Not Not Bad Tammy? I've been watching them too. Hello summer. Let's call my beautiful and see what beach towel she wants. We're gonna see when she picks up. Answer the phone. Mommy, answer.
Hey, baby.
No, she's on here looking crazy, y'all. Don't mind her. Mama, you gotta pick out your towel. I didn't want to pick for you and you not like it. So I was thinking this one. I'm about to open this towel up that somebody already done opened. So they just helped everybody else out. Oh yeah, that ain't bad. We're going with the orange and the pink $4 Johns, which is love because they $4. Yeah, so look at that. It's giving summer colors. Okay, I'm in the fitting room. I'm about to try on the shorts and the skirt. Okay, so I'm gonna just tuck this under the bra. So this is the shorts. Only thing is, like bro, I'm instantly going with the shorts because okay, Walmart trip is done. I wound up getting the shorts. We got the towels, we got the bags, I got my oil. I still gotta go to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go to Five and Below again. I really want that shirt, that yellow shirt. Oh, I really want it. And okay, we are back at yeah, we were getting her period. Okay, she got stretch. Oh, this is all about to eat the girlies up with the shorts. Alright, and I also came in here because I forgot to get this bowl I needed that's in the back of the store. Here it goes. Oop, and I got it. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, and it got a little fork. Okay. Okay. And it comes in a little. Period. Okay, we done made it to Panda Expressy. About to get my planner. Can I get the lo mein? Orange chicken. Forgot what that one is in the back. Yep. Can I get 3 apple pie rolls and an order of the ragoons? I'm sorry. Hey friends, so I know today I was supposed to explain to y'all everything and go over everything with y'all, but I'm way behind schedule. I'm recording on my phone because I brought out a dead battery. I gotta go to the market. I gotta go to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back in the house. Oh, not when I get back to the house. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we're at our next destination. Okay, y'all. We are at Dollar Tree. This section right here. Oh, it just makes you wanna, you know? Alright, so like I said, when we go to the beach, I wanted to do painting on the beach. I've seen like a lot of people do it. We're just here to get canvases. That's one. So I'm in the arts and crafts section now. Drake, I hear you like a dog. You better never go to sell. Anywho, okay, so canvases. These are the ones I came for. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry. This arts and crafts section is a more like it's crowded. It's never this crowded. But so now I need to get our paintbrushes, which I was looking at these right here. These look like your basic. Alright, so I'm gonna get my mom 2 favorite colors. So I'm gonna get black, red, of course, pink, and then I seen over here they got one more light pink. It was meant to be. I'm gonna get blue, because you just never know what we're drawing. I like it like yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just found a water cup to put the water in to clean off your brushes. I'm gonna get that. Oh, look. She got the Hennessy. There's a lot happening outside today. 1 cucumber. Because it's literally like 2 bowls for me and mama. But she said cucumber, fruit, crab meat, Italian dressing is all we need. Because anything else, like, we're going to be eating on a boardwalk. Because I need me a street corn today. Like, in the next hour, so I'm just playing. Oh, well, looky. This? I feel like, what else do you need? I feel like 2 of these, 1 of these. No, I'm so serious. It's perfect. The cream cheese flavored dip, pineapple, grapes, strawberries. All it's missing is the watermelon, which they probably couldn't fit in a container. 1 for her, 1 for me. Even though I'm allergic to pineapples, we're gonna suffer today.
What?
Am I the only one who don't like imitation crab? Maybe. I think 1 pack is good, right? Alright, so she told me to get Italian dressing. Now, I think it's this one. So I'm gonna get this one. And we're done. Boom. Okay, y'all, everything is kind of crazy, kind of hectic. I'm going from filming on my phone, going from filming on my camera, trying to upload everything onto the computer, but I just wanted to come and show y'all. Look at the fruit bowls. Remember the bowls we got from Five Below yesterday? This is the top with the fruit, and then, you know, the bottom is going to be the pasta salad. And y'all went with me. We got our car snacks, our beach snacks, getting everything together. But y'all probably not gonna hear from me for a while because we kind of trying to get ready, trying to get out this house because it's already 11:28. As you see right there, it's 11:29, 11:30. My mama's making the pasta. She's probably gonna make the whole thing for me because I gotta get ready, put on my wig and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all guys when I see y'all. I don't even know when it's gonna be.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do to plenty survive with this. just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go?
Friends, we at the beach.
This one I beg you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did jabata.
Okay, y'all, so we are all set up at the beach. Hold on. Look at the setup, period. Get like me. Got the tent. And I just wanted to show y'all my outfit real quick. We got bathing suit, Fashion Nova, shorts, Walmart, top, 5 and below, wig, BMG girl hair, period.
Oh, we go.
We got the Hennessy. I don't know what just happened there. Yeah. Oh, that's liquor. We all settled in a little bit, y'all. Mommy is definitely settled in. In the pasta salad. Alright, y'all. I just paused the music real quick because, ooh, bubbles.
Oh.
We got our stuff. Purr.
So good, look. Pasta salad realness, period.
Period.
Yo, this is Long Island iced tea with cut water vodka, rum, gin, and tequila.
Oh.
I think I picked the good one.
Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a
Ask the questions like, why you fucking with me? Got him on like you still a dog. I see you. Grip. What a part.
Okay, what you want to play? You was wrong. That's what you want to vlog?
Yeah. And we're keeping that in there. You heard what she said. She said I'm some cute.
felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the
Go, man.
Go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid.
I'll see you in a bit. I don't want this battery to die because I'm only lasting on for 3 and it's only the beginning of the day. We still got painting, eating, drinking. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor. That ain't, oh, that's liquor.
Oh!
That's straight liquor. Okay?
Wake that one up.
Wait, that one
But I feel like, no, it ain't staying. Grandma can watch this. It's like, no. This for us.
This is my talk with him. I'm done with this now. I don't know.
Wake that one up. It's like,
The Christmas applesauce just eats. I don't know.
she's such a nanny. The crisscross applesauce eats. All done. All done.
You lying.
Bro. That's why it's liquor? Bro. It's liquor.
Wait, no. Chat. Ain't no way.
Not Chat. You just better be a switcher. And she just said, she just better be cussing it. Did you just say Chat? Is this Twitch or YouTube?
Stop.
Oh,
Listen,
man.
look at that.
Friends, if I was y'all, I'd be disrespected.
Friends, listen.
Got the tapes. I didn't burp. Got the tapes. Yeah, they see a different side of me. I don't like it. I am on vacation. I'm clocked out.
When I say I'm crying,
This is not Finding Nemo, baby.
they found a piece of food. A piece of food.
Them guys left that pizza over there. One thing about seagulls, though, they got loyalty. They call their homies real quick. Mine.
Y'all. Come get your mom.
It's over. I don't know what you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there right by my side. You make me feel low. I never know. You're there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I call my home. I never know. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, you make that look good.
So I'm gonna look up what I want to paint on Pinterest. I think I'm gonna do that, y'all. I'm gonna do this.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy. I want a trophy. I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy.
I know you lied. You is not painting your lips.
Mother. You gonna show them your painting?
Yes, I'm gonna show them my painting. So, the first painting is my rendition of, oh, that's dirty, of the sunset.
Period. Look at the bird. The
Period.
seagull. Mine.
And then I'm still creating this masterpiece, but it's just some red and pink flowers.
Period.
Ain't it cute?
It is. I'll see mine.
True artist at heart.
I just wanted to show y'all the sunset.
Love you, I got nothing.
We're gonna start packing up soon though, y'all, because it's getting dark and I want to be able to see packing up. And we still gotta walk this stuff back to the car and walk the boardwalk. You wanna start packing up now?
Yeah.
Alright, we about to start packing up, y'all.
When your lash come off at the beach, you have to put it back on. When you bring everything you need. She was trying to take her lashes off, y'all. I was not letting her. Your real friend's not gonna let you rip your lashes off in the middle of the event, okay? There you go. Look at you. Okay, period. Period.
Hey friends. So we're vlogging on the phone because we're about to go on the rides, about to go eat because I'm starving. Here's your mama's starving. Mom want to take a shot. I want to take a shot. So yeah, so we heading back on the boardwalk. We put everything up, took everything back to the car.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl.
All right, we're gonna give it a taste test, scale of 1 to 10. What is given? Okay, Deira.
I give this a 10 out of 10, baby.
Really?
10 out of 10.
Really? Period.
You wanna taste it?
Yeah, let me taste it.
It's a little hot.
It is 10 out of 10. All right. What you giving? What you giving?
You give a homemade. It's a lot of powdered sugar, but it's good. It's hot too. 10 out of 10.
Period.
Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it to my favorite Mexican spot in Atlantic City on the Boardwalk for my street corn and my churros. And I might get something else. I don't know. I really just want my street corn. And Mama got a street corn too. So we're just waiting.
I didn't know you stopped it. I'm excited. So this is my first time eating street corn. So I'm like really excited. And she said that their street corn is really good. So we're gonna see. We're gonna rate it 1 through 10. So we're gonna see. It's good. Oh, I can't wait. It's good. What's given? You gotta say something. You gotta say something. All right, y'all. It's my first time. It's good. I like it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Y'all, so we just ate all this, right? And mind you, we supposed to be getting on rides. Are we getting on rides, State? Yo, we is stuffed. We full. We about to throw up.
It's so tight, bro. I gotta throw up. Oh my God.
Hey, look.
I will say,
ACO, that's nothing. We had a great time. You say that? Stop drinking it.
we gotta get going.
All right, so we about to go, y'all. We gonna see y'all when we get to the car. Y'all, look at the child. Don't be like Yaya. She's pissing on the side of the car. Shake and go. Use some tissue? Wait, let me get you some tissue.
Some tissue in the glove department.
Oh, wait, let me get you some tissue.